Hey, what up, bro? See this right here? We about to mess this up even more than it is. All right. So, America, this is your microwave. This is your microwave. He's done. He's done. No, I'm just kidding. Look, this is my broken microwave. We're about to destroy this thing. Oh, wait. Oh, okay. The door's not on yet. All right. Bro. Come on now, suck it up. That's why they made soap. You know what? Ow, that hurt. Oh, snap. I didn't mean to dent it like that. Cam, hush, you going to the house. Did you have to bust the glass like that? Oh, stop, bro. Wait, no, move. Well, the door is gone. Oh, let's put these in the spot. Hey, Cam, chill out, bro. Cam. You said that? Sorry. Look. Oh yeah, I remember that.
Not lying.
So? Ain't nobody talking to them. Hey, you gotta put that down while I'm over here. I know. Gonna hurt somebody. Hey, Cam, chill out, bro. Hey, look at that little white dog right there. White man. Hey, what's good? Hey, Cam, hey, no, Cam, stop. Come here. What's wrong? What's wrong, buddy? Come here. Hey, chill out. Okay, you good? Okay, chill out. Come on, hit it. Watch out. God, this is too funny, man. Hey, you should throw this boy like a frisbee, huh? Came out, what are you doing, bro? Bro, we got like 40 seconds left on this video. Cam, bro, will you chill out? Alright, Cam, you go to the house. Go ahead. Where'd that boy go?